could be rather rough later if they make it into East Texas. Still a few question marks, but we are beginning to see some storms out to our west. Severe thunderstorm watch. This goes until midnight tonight because thunderstorms, they've already initiated to our west, but further off to the east, you'll notice we are not under a severe thunderstorm watch from Smith, Wood, Franklin, Cherokee County pointing off to the east. So let me show you what's happening. Nothing here in East Texas. I mean, zero storms, but it's a bit of a different story out to the west in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Showers and thunderstorms have taken shape, and obviously this is the parent storm right here that is really ramped up in southern Tarrant County and northern and just to the north of Cleburne there in northern Johnson County. And this is a pretty nasty storm. Lots of lightning associated with it, and also looks like there's a little bit of mid-level rotation, and that's an indication that it is producing some hail. It's going to cross 35, but as it does so, it could turn more right or more to the east, which means East Texas could be in the path of this storm. But the primary threat of severe weather this evening would be the threat of large hail, but still no imminent severe weather threat for us here in East Texas, which is great news. As we look at satellite and radar, not a ton going on. We do have the boundary. You can tell where that is just based on the cloud cover, but several storms have popped up to the west of Dallas and are pushing off to the east. So that's a trend we're going to have to watch out for. So 6 o'clock this evening, the Futurecast model is a bit off right now just based on what we are seeing, but these storms, they're going to inch their way off to the east, and as they do so, they will carry the threat of large hail. So keep your eyes to the skies, have a way to get warnings just in case a warning is issued for your area, because these storms, they could be quite nasty as they push off to the east. Midnight tonight, we're seeing these storms come to an end. That's because they will be losing some of the daytime instability that they had, and then tomorrow morning we start out dry, but it's just going to be kind of a swampy, soupy, outdoorsy, just rough to be outside tomorrow morning because of how humid it's going to be. Slight risk of severe weather through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll fire Futurecast back up because we're not done. We will see another round of storms possible as we move into tomorrow evening. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms along Interstate 30, but those move out quickly, and that will end our severe weather threat, but still definitely a wind and hail threat setting up for us tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a carbon copy of what we see this evening. Temperatures, they are in the 80s, so it's still very warm across East Texas. There's no doubt about that. Kind of miserable to be outside for any length of time right now. 5 to 10 mile per hour winds, so the wind speeds have come down, which is good news because that is going to significantly limit any tornado threat that we may have with these storms. But here's the kicker. Dew points, they are off the charts. We are in the mid 70s for those dew points, and that makes it feel a lot warmer. Tonight we'll fall to 73, about a 30% chance of storms. Tomorrow we are back to 91, 90 Sunday, 92 Monday, with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms around on Tuesday. And as we look at next week, fairly comfortable. We'll have another front move through, which surprises me a little bit. Granted that we're going to be in late May next week with high temperatures in the 80s. We might be down to 57 by Wednesday evening. Isaac, Casey.
Carson.